on tart. At the party, for a pussy boy and you get burnt. Acting up, you acting buck, you fuck while you get marked. Nigga bitches, I get it, so bitch I'm with it. I get it, shots at your fitted.
What is up, you? Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! Shit!
Don't start it off the YouTube like this.
No,
Bro, almost crashed.
Oh.
What is up, YouTube? We is back. We're about to crash, no cap.
Okay, hold on.
But it's cool. You'll be alright. We'll be alright.
Wow, that was close. That was close. Like, we really was like half a car away.
But yeah, what's up, YouTube? We about to hit the park and chill. You already know. So yeah, guys. Right now, we... Bro, if y'all see, bro, he fucks around too much. But yeah, guys, we're headed to Park and Chill. We have Eric in the back right there, if you guys can see him. But yeah, guys, so we're about to head over there right now. It's 81 degrees outside right now. Hot as fuck.
81, damn.
So yeah, we're in a muscle shirt. I have a shirt still.
Nigga, 81, nigga, it is 69 degrees.
69? Why did it said it was going to be at 81. My bad.
69, bro. Tweak it.
My bad. But yeah, guys, it's hot as fuck today for sure. But today's a good day for sure. Right here at the Park and Chill at Rotella Park. It's packed all the way down there, all over there, and just all behind me is packed. One time's right there too, and he even fucking burned down in front of one time. A Ford burned down in front of a cop. Crazy.
Is it skinny, thick, or fat for you? Hey, that's my hey, my guy getting it.
I mean, I love all women, all shapes and sizes, especially the ones named Bella, my love. I love you.
Hey, I like the women.
La más bronce.
Hey.
You want the fuck no, I'm hungry, bro. I'll get it. My ass beat.
Mira,
esa chino. Esa chino.
I know a couple females for you.
That's our chino right there.
I got you.
That's our chino right there. That's our chino right there.
Hey, which one of y'all think? Hey, which one of y'all think is gonna fall off the truck first?
Oh shit.
Biggest one.
Hey, which one do you think?
The big.
Which one?
What do you mean fall? What do you mean fall? You mean
look?
hey? What do you mean fall? You mean roll?
Roll.
Oh.
Hey, no, roll, man. Hey, if they fall, nigga. Hey, if they fall, it's a whole earthquake, bro.
This is a very strong earthquake. 8:21 here on the air. We're experiencing very strong shake.
Real quick, everybody's beautiful. I have no hate, no discrimination. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Hey, no, for real.
But,
hey, for real.
You big.
No disrespect, hey, you're doing a little too much if you're just standing in the back of that truck, just not shaking anything.
¿Ustedes no la quieren?
Shaking the truck.
Blueface, baby.
Damn. That's crazy.
You hear that supercharger on, man?
They burn out so fucking much. Yep, his shit burning now. Oh, that's crazy.
That's tough. We got some water. Need some more coolant.
It's coming from the lid.
Damn. What were you saying? Let's see. Oh my God!
tried to drift out from my end.
He did?
Yeah, I guess.
This truck?
Hey, back up!
Damn.
Where that truck's putting down.
Oh, he spun?
Bro, they need that fool back, bro. Damn,
coming, but
that's.
they're not going to be
You're not doing shit.
You don't know how to do his job, bro. Use the fucking extinguisher right, bro. You're just trying to stay fucking back. Like, what the fuck, bro? See, it's all cool, but then if the truck fucking blows up, a bunch of people get hurt because it's fucking eating. There's not even a fucking fire team.
Yeah, they content for
Like, what the
sure.
fuck, bro? You're a fucking cop.
We
You don't
could
use
we could
fucking
show
extinguisher, bro?
for sure.
Fucking idiot. That makes me mad, bro.
For real. They're taking them in. They're taking them in.
Get him. Why are you walking him right next to the truck?
Back up, guys, for real. Let's go. It's on fire. Let's go. For real. That way they don't blame us on this. Let's go.
Well, so they're here to take it down.
I wonder if someone has a video of that shit crashing.
I don't know. We'll probably see it on Snap if anybody does. So that guy's over there with the ambulance already. They already helped him. And then there's the fire.
Yeah,
I guess they're
think
gonna
the
try
guy's
to take
okay.
it out.
You know, I mean, obviously it's an old truck, so he probably didn't have seatbelt, like nothing. But they pulled him out. He seemed like he was awake.
Yeah.
He probably just hit his head or some shit. But he's probably
He
okay.
knocked out for sure.
Yeah, at least he's somewhat okay.
Hey, there's as long as y'all take that shit out, we chilling. But I feel bad for that guy.
But I think it's beautiful.
If anyone knows like anything, any videos, whatever, hit me up on Snapchat, Poncho RT. It's gonna be all in the descriptions. But yeah, guys, as I'm known right now, he's fine. He's right there in the white. He's right there in the white. So yeah, I don't really know much, but yeah, that's all I know for now. If I knew anything else, it'd be in the next vlog. So yeah, guys. Truck is on fire. Hey, move back!
Hey, y'all, don't be that close. Back up a little bit.
Hey, water!
Hey, we need water!
Water!
Why are
Yeah,
people
nigga,
running like there's
fire.
cops?
What the fuck is going on?
Look at that shit, bro.
Oh, that shit's under too.
Oh, yeah.
We need jack! Back it up!
Turn off the truck!
Nigga, it's already off. Is it still on? This is why you don't get
Hey, Darius! Hector, talk!
Say Peter Piper. Damn, nigga.
Damn, you spit it too much.
Damn, what the fuck?
Damn, who Oh my God! I'm chasing him! So everyone's antifreeze is like fucking up or some shit's going off. This truck antifreeze spilled like a bitch. That is crazy.
Damn. Everyone's car is fucking up today. Yeah.
Water. 1 out of 10.
I'll give it a fucking 5. It's not bad.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, is your truck good? Good now? That shit was the gayest. Sorry, I played that shit. That shit. He's like, yeah. While I'm smoking, okay, I see you.
Hey, who is it?
That's mine.
Tesla. That's yours?
It's like, no, I haven't even been in your truck. No, it's mine now, bro.
I'm about to shoot this bitch up.
All right, shoot it up. Actually, gonna end it anyways.
Boom, boom, boom. No effort. No effort. Oh, my leg hurts like a bitch after that. Fuck, I lost my vape.
No, bro, you made your truck ass.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's
Bro,
searching for
you
that
made,
shit.
bro, you made your truck ass the moment you put blackjack, bro. I'm sorry. You need to put dominoes.
Bro, we still decide just because they look beautiful. Come on now.
No, it's dominoes, bro. Or little scissors.
Nah.
Oh! And he's still going. Oh! He does not give a fuck. Oh my God! Go back, go back!
Hey, reverse, reverse.
God damn! Watch out, watch out! Oh my God! He's gonna kill somebody.
He's trying to jump that bitch. He's
Bro.
trying to jump his vehicle, bro. Probably, shit. I mean, he probably broke his fucking radiator.
Oh.
In that big ass dip.
We're done for tonight. So yeah, guys, this is what happened. Crazy shit. And I'll see you on the 15th when we get lit. Gonna go crazy, and you already know. See y'all. Much love. Take care. And I'll see you on the 15th when we get lit.